charge your battery, first open the cover on the side of the frame. Inside, you'll see the on-off switch for the battery above the charging plug. Next, plug your charger into the wall. When the charger is plugged into the wall, the green light on the charger will be flashing. This indicates that the charger has power but is not connected to the battery. Next, you can plug the charger into the battery. When the charger is plugged in, the red light will turn on, indicating that the battery is charging. Once the battery is fully charged, the light on the charger will turn green. Then you can unplug the charger from the battery and the light will begin flashing again. Next, unplug the charger from the wall. Once the charger is unplugged, close the port on the side of the battery, and then you're all set. To turn your battery on and off, first open the cover on the side of the frame. In the cover, you'll see the on-off switch for the battery. When the 1 is pressed in, the battery is turned on. You'll be able to turn the screen on and use the motor power. When the 0 is pressed in, the battery is off. When you're removing or installing your battery, turn it off by pushing the 0 in before removing or reinstalling the battery. When you're all done, turn the battery back on, close the cover, and you're all set. If you want to remove the battery, for instance, in order to take the battery into another room for charging, first you'll want to fold the frame. Lift the safety latch and then open the frame clamp. When the frame clamp is open, you can fold the frame and see the battery inside of the frame tube. In order to remove the battery, insert the key and turn the key all the way counterclockwise. Then you can take the key out and pull the handle. That'll let you slide the battery out. When you're ready to reinstall the battery, slide the battery in all the way, insert the key, and turn the key all the way clockwise. Then you can remove the key, fold the handle down, and unfold the frame. When the two halves of the frame come together, you can grab the frame's latch and close it all the way, locking the hinge, and then drop the safety latch in so that the frame can't accidentally come open. Once the battery is on, in order to turn on the screen, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. When the screen comes on, you'll see your battery meter display, your speed readout, the current motor power being used, your trip and odometer readout, and your assist level setting. You can control the assist level by pressing the plus and minus buttons. 5 is maximum assist. That means you'll get the most motor power out relative to how hard you pedal. Whereas 1 is the minimal assist and 0 is no assist. Meanwhile, your throttle will override the assist setting, so if you want power at any time, turn the throttle by pushing it downwards with your thumb. Whenever the brake levers are being pulled, the throttle and the assist will be disconnected so that you won't have any motor power as long as the brakes are engaged. In order to adjust your settings, press and hold the plus and minus keys for 3 seconds, and you'll enter the settings menu. Navigate between settings using plus and minus, and select a setting by pressing the I button. If we want to reset our trip meter, we'll press I while the trip meter is selected, and we'll change the reset to yes by pressing the plus button. Then we'll hit I for OK, Trip meter clears, and we can go on and check other settings. If we want to change our speed limit, for instance, we'll select speed limit and press I, and then we can turn the maximum motor speed up or down as we choose. Once we have the setting we want, we'll press I again, navigate down to back, and navigate to exit. When we're finished, we can press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the screen back off. To shift to a lower gear, we can press the lower lever. Lower gears give us more power for starting from a stop or going up hills. To shift to a higher gear, we can press the higher lever. Higher gears we'll use once we get up to speed in order to go faster, or we can use them for downhills. Since the motor is connected to the gearing, we need to shift gears to accommodate the terrain. In order to get the most power for starting out, we'll want to start in a low gear. Once we want to go faster, we'll shift to a higher gear. We only want to shift when we're pedaling forward slowly. Don't shift when you're using the throttle, or you can grind the gears together and bend the derailleur or knock the chain off. Only shift when you're pedaling forward slowly. If you're on a high assist level, turn the assist down some before shifting, pedal more gently, or activate the brake lever just a little bit in order to shut the motor off so that you only have your gentle pedaling power in the chain when you're ready to shift.